Hi friends, I am Shouraj Pal and you are watching Knowledge Hub. I think you have already guessed what is the topic for today from the thumbnail. So without wasting time, let's get started.
So today I am going to discuss about the format specifier and the backslash characters. I know you have an idea about the format specifiers, but we are going in deep in this video. So let's get started. So it is lecture 7. So we are going to cover the topic format specifier and backslash characters. The next we are going to start format specifiers. So first we need to see what is a format specifier, how we can use these type of format specifiers in our codes. So first it says format specifiers are used to take or give the data from the user. So here are some keynotes, you can see this. After that we are heading towards the basic format specifiers. In basic format specifier we have a chart here which says a data type with the format specifiers. Firstly we are having the integer, then the real, then the character, then the string values. For the integers we have integer, short, short unsigned, long, long assigned, hexadecimals and long hexadecimals, octal or long octal. So in case of each data type we are having a specific format specifier here. So in case of integer we have percentage %d, in case of short it is also percentage %d, and in case of short unsigned you have percentage %u. Okay, you have to keep in mind that. Then respectively we are having LB, LU, which signifies the long assigned, etc. Then we have the hexadecimals which can be signified by percentage %x. Then after that percentage %o is for the octals. Then we have our real numbers. Real numbers, in case of real numbers we have floats and doubles. Doubles are the bigger form of floats, we can say that. In case of floats the specifier is percentage %f, and in case of doubles we have percentage %lf and percentage %g. So in this way for characters, if we want to take input of a character or give a display of a character, we need to use percentage %c. Then after that a string comes here. For a string we have to use the percentage %s. So in this way the basic format specifiers are these. Okay. Then after that we are heading towards the advanced format specifier. It is very important guys, because I know no one have told you this earlier. This advanced specifier is exclusive. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that at the first you can see percentage %nc, which means it takes the input of n characters including space. Okay, and after that we are having percentage %a to z in third bracket. Okay, it means only take the input of lowercase characters from A to Z. It will not accept any character rather than A to Z. Okay, it will only accept the characters within this range A to Z. After that we are having the uppercase character. Then we have percentage capital A up to capital Z. It means it will only accept the characters within the capital A to capital Z. It will not accept any characters without that, and it will not accept the characters small letters. Okay, I want to mean that lowercase characters within A to Z it will not accept. Okay, then we are having that with a not symbol, percentage not A up to Z. It means that it will not accept any character within this range. Okay, it will not accept any character within A to Z. It will accept only these characters which are not in this field. Then after that we are having a similar type of things in capital letters. Then after that we are having percentage not ch. It means it will take input of string of any length until it gets the special character. In this case it is a full stop. Up to full stop it will take any type of string with any length. Okay, then after that we are having the next format specifier here, which says percentage not ch1 and ch2. For an example, percentage not comma and full stop, it means it will take input of string of any length until it gets any of these special character, ch1 or ch2. In this case, this is full stop or comma. Then as you can see, in the next case we have similar setup here with 3 characters. In this case, it will take input of any length of string until it gets this type of character. Okay, any of this type of character within these 3 characters. Then after that we have a range here, percentage not ch1 to up to ch2 and ch3 to up to ch4. It means it will take the input of character from ch1 to ch2 and from ch3 to ch4 except spaces. Okay, no space is allowed in this type of string. Then I have given an example here. In this case you can see percentage and the third bracket, then not a2 up to d and p2 up to t. It means it will accept the values, accept the characters of a2 up to d. Okay, it means that you can give it b, c, etc. but e is not accepted here because it is the over the range of d. Then p2 up to t, so you can give the input from p2 up to t, any character which is in between this field, in between this range, is accepted here. Without that it will not be accepted. And a thing, it does not accept any type of space character. Okay, just a space is not accepted here. Then we are coming towards the last one. Last one says that it will take the input of characters from ch1 to ch2 2 and from ch3 to ch4, and with the space character it will allow the space character in here. Okay, I think it is understandable. Then next one is formatted output. It is really so important topic because it will define how you wanna get your output from your code. Okay, it will help you to modify or manipulate your code. So in case of int, you can see that the code is d. Percentage d is used for getting int values or giving int values. So d is the format specifier here, and after that you can see we have some examples here. In case of int, we have 512. Okay, it is a normal character. Normal 512 is a 3-digit number. Okay, then we are giving a formatted output setup. So in case of formatted output, we have 14d. It means it will give us a 14-digit number. Okay, corresponding to that you can see that we have the 14-digit number here with spaces. So here you can see here some spaces, and after that we have 512. So in this way minus 14d also works. In case of minus 14d, it will give us the data earlier. Okay, first it will give us the data, then it will give the spaces. So in case of only 14d, it will give the spaces first, then it will give the number. In case of minus 14d, it will give the number first, then the spaces. Okay, but in both cases it will give 14 digits for our output. Then after that we are having doubles. In case of doubles, we have f and e. E is a exponential form. So in case of float, we have a example here. Okay, in case of the first one, we have the formatted output specifier percentage 14.2f. It means it will allow 14 characters. सिर्फ 14 characters ही ये allow करेगा. Okay, तो 14 characters and 2 characters of them can be placed after the decimal point, and the rest of them should be placed before the decimal point. So in case of that, you can see this. Here is a 14-digit number, and 2 of them, 1 and 7, are placed after the decimal point, and the other numbers 1595 is placed before the decimal number. Then after that we are having percentage 0.7f. It means it will allow 7 digits after the decimal point. So you can calculate that here is 7 digits after the decimal point. So after that we are having 14.4e. 14.4e, it means after one digit it will give a decimal point, and then 4 digits are allowed to be there. 4 digits are allowed to be there after the decimal point. And e means here 10 to the power how much, okay, 10 to the power how much. So in case of that, it means 1.5952 e plus 03, it means into 10 to the power 3. Okay, I think you have understood. Then after that we are getting towards the strings. In case of strings we use s. Okay, so hello world is a string here, and percentage 14s means it will allow 14 characters. So firstly we are having a space here, then the hello world message. In this way, as we seen previously, the minus 14 does the same work with the space at the last. In case of minus 14s, we are having the data first. So we are getting our data hello world here firstly, then we are having the space here. So in this case also the 14 characters are supported. 14 characters are supported here. Next one is percentage minus 14.3 s. Okay, it means it will allow 14 datas, it will allow 14 characters, and within that 5 will be visible. In case of that, first 5 is visible, so first 5 is hello, hello. So in this way minus 14.5s works. So after that last one is boolean, and in case of boolean we use b as a format specifier. In this case we are having true result for an example, and percentage b says true. So it is very simple. I think I don't need to explain this very much. So after that we are having some examples of conversion type characters. So you just need to ignore this thing, okay, this system dot out thing, you just need to ignore this because it is just a syntax for Java, but it acts similarly as C and in case of Java. So we just need to consider the printf part. Okay, so printf, then within bracket, within inverted commas, percentage d and comma 10, it means it will print only 10. Okay, then after that we are having percentage f and 10.1, it will print 10.1 up to 6 digits. Okay, it will allow 6 digits after the decimal point. In this way we have here percentage c comma a, which will give us a normal lowercase a, and after that we are having percentage capital C. It means if you give a character in it, in the argument section you will get the uppercase result of it. So in this case we are giving here a, lowercase a, and we are having the output of uppercase a. So in this way it works. So similarly we are having here percentage s, percentage capital S, percentage p, percentage capital B, and etc. So after that we are heading towards the example of format specifier. How does a format specifier works in case of printf statement? So in case of printf statement, you can see that the basic statement is like that: printf within brackets, within inverted commas, color, percentage f, then comma, then number, percentage d, then comma, float, percentage 4.2. Here you have to keep the attention. Here is written 4.2f. So here we are getting a formatted output, then a comma. Then after that we have the arguments here. In case of that we are having the red, then the number, and then a float value. So as you can see through these arrows, you can see that the values are assigned to their corresponding format specifiers. So in this way we are having this output: color red, red is for the percentage s here, s is the string, and then the number, then the float value and the number value. So in case of that you can see that the float output we are having 3.14. So percentage 4.2 means it only will allow 4 characters, 4 digits, and 2 characters after the decimal point. Here we are having 4 characters. In this case first character is a space, then 3, then 0.14. okay, in this way we are getting the output here. Now we are heading towards the backslash characters. So first we need to see what is the backslash character. In C, backslash is a escape sequence character, okay, followed by the predefined alphabets. For an example, backslash t, backslash b, backslash r, and backslash n, etc. are the backslash characters, and the escape sequence. It indicates that the character to their right are not going to be interpreted similarly as another character. So it means that the characters are going to be interpreted in a different way. So if you are typing \t in your printf statement, you are not going to see a \t in the output statement. Okay, so what it does, it actually enables the different interpretation of that character. So if you need a backslash in your output statement, you have to give 2 backslashes correspondingly in your printf statement to get 1 backslash, as you can see, and it is also known as the escape sequence in C. Then we are heading towards the example of \. characters. Firstly, you can see that \A for alert, \B for backspace, and \F for the form feed. In this way, \N for the new line, and \V for the vertical tab, \T for the horizontal tab, and etc. And \question mark for giving a question mark in between your printf statement. So you are not going to, if you want to have a question mark in your printf statement, then you have to use a backslash before it, because question mark means you are going to use a conditional operator or a ternary operator. So after that, we are having some ASCII values of \. characters. It is very useful. If you want to save it, you can take a screenshot of it, and you can also memorize it. Then we are going to see some simple examples. So in this case, we have a printf function here, and in case of that, we have the argument, format specifiers, \. characters, etc. And totally it makes a control string. Okay, it makes a control string. So step by step we are going to discuss about each and everything here. So firstly, we have a printf function, and then we have a parenthesis and a inverted commas. And after that, we have a variable a equals to %d. %d is a format specifier for integers, we know that. And after that, a \. character or a escape sequence, \n, it means a new line here. So after that, it will give a new line and give the next output of it. Then b equals to %d, which means another integer value, and then also a \n for the new line. After that, a comma. Then we are having the arguments here. Firstly, we have argument 1 as a and argument b as argument 2. So as you can see through these arrows, a is going to be shown here and b is going to be shown here. So in this way, the printed statements can be manipulated, and you can have your desired statements by this way. So thank you for watching, guys.
I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment box below. And if you are not a subscriber of my channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified. So take care, keep coding.